Hey guys, what's up, Manu? And today, what we're gonna be talking about is why people fail at life. So make sure you like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. This is gonna be my little 2-minute summary of why I think people fail at life. All right, guys, so why do people fail at life? I think there's a main reason why people fail at life or fail at whatever they're doing, and it all comes down to one major thing. It's that they fail to understand, one, what they actually want, and two, the consequences of never reaching it. People are all about talking about their goals, and it makes them really happy to go, oh, I'd love to have this Range Rover, and I'd love to have a beautiful house overlooking the Harbor Bridge, and I would love to be able to do this and all this kind of stuff. And, you know, I'd love to send my kids to private school. They future pace it out. They don't get super specific with it, which is a problem. But what they never think about is like, what happens if I never figure that piece out? What happens if I never figure out how to get the house that I want? I can never call my wife and tell her, hey, baby, I just bought you the car of your dreams. Or what happens if you can never figure out how to put your kids in private school and you keep them in the same shitty public schools that you had to go to or that you didn't have to go to because your dad worked hard enough to put you into private school? Like, what are the ramifications of that on a day-to-day level that scale out? Right? And those are the things that bring reality home. And those are the things that build urgency within you having to act, to actually fucking do something about your problems. So that's why I think people fail in life, because they fail to really understand the consequences of their inaction. All right, guys, I hope that was helpful. Have a think about what you want, why you want it, and what happens if you never get it. And then from there, maybe you'll have a bit more urgency to act. All right, guys, talk to you soon. Bye.